Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Chalk. Oh, truck. Oh, oh.
Alright, hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got this Nissin Demae Iccho Tonkotsu flavor ramen from Hong Kong. We found this at the mall at a place called Miniso. And, yeah. So, let's make it so, as it were. I gotta say, I like the lid on this one, too. Ooh, Tonkotsu. So let's add in everything. Here's the noodle block. Here's the loose bits that were in the cup. And we've got this sesame oil sachet. I like how the sachet, this is very indicative of the Hong Kong stuff. It's got that big pork thing on there. Lego pork. And on the last episode I promised you a story about something that's very annoying to my wife and I. So that will be what I will tell you about presently. So they have it. So we used to way back, it's been like forever since we did, because their prices went way through the roof. But we used to get Amazon delivery. I mean, we get, if we buy something on Amazon, obviously it gets delivered. But they had a great deal. It was during and for a while after the pandemic. And you could get, like, groceries delivered to your door, right? You still can. And there are only certain areas in the U.S. that have it, and the Seattle area is one of them that does. So, I think it was like, if you ordered a minimum of like 35 or 50 bucks. I think at first it was 35, then it went up to 50. You didn't have to pay for the delivery. You could set the delivery in like 1 hour increments or something. It was great. It worked really well. And then that, all of a sudden, the minimum order went way up, and I think, did it go up to like 150 bucks? And if you got less than 150 bucks worth of groceries through them, it was going to cost you like 35 bucks for the delivery. I mean, it was ridiculous. It just like went from like great deal to crap deal. So we looked around, and Walmart does the same thing. So for 10 bucks a month, you got to get that, and then you get free delivery. Groovy deal. You also get like Paramount Plus, junk like that. Well, we ordered groceries to be delivered. When was it? To be delivered yesterday between 8 and 10 a.m. Nope. Got the runaround. Oh, it'll be there between 5 and 7. Nope. My wife has spent so much time dealing with their customer service, and it's like they have a script. They can't go off the script. And what's worst is when you order it, it puts a hold for that amount. I mean, it bills your card. So it's like, we got a ton of stuff. We spent like our grocery budget on it. And today was set to be, she talked to somebody, they said it was going to be here between 10 and noon. Now what happens? She gets a call at like 8 a.m. saying, we're sorry, there's no way we can get your order there between 8 and 10 a.m. It's like, we didn't ask you to do that for today. What the? And so now they're saying it'll be here between 5 and 7. I sincerely hope it is. Because it's like, the amount of, I was like, how long does it take for them to take that hold off all that cash? It's like 10 days. So, yeah, it's kind of crummy. It's like And it's just like we keep going, we're very sorry. I assure you we're going to make this right and blah, blah, blah. She's already gotten $15 in promotional credits, but it's like, what? To order more food that isn't going to show up? So that's the annoying thing we're dealing with at our house right now. Yes, we could have just gone to the store, but we really didn't want to. She hasn't been feeling good. I haven't been feeling good. And, I mean, we did Costco on Saturday. That's insanity. We went to the mall, then we went to Costco. Good God. Costco on Saturday. I was just like joking the whole way through. It's like, there's nobody in here. Wow, it's just like empty. I was expecting there to be a lot of people. It's like, oh my God, there were a lot of people. A lot of pushy people. Worst thing when you go to the store, people do this here. I don't know where you're from, but here people will just like, you'll be looking at something. They won't wait. They'll be like, okay, I'm just going to sneak past you and grab this. Thank you. And it's like, A, you're announcing what you're doing. That's not sneaky. Second off, just wait a freaking second. When I'm done grabbing what I'm grabbing, I mean, I've been like, had my arm extended and somebody's like shoved me out of the way to get some other product. It's just like, yeah. I don't know. People here are pushy. It's sad. It's a shame. I don't know what the problem is with humans. I can just say, we don't like humans at our house. And I don't really like animals either. I like my local humans, my family, but other than that, not a lot of humans that I really like to commiserate with. I don't know. There is our Noodle. I'm very curious about this. I had this product a long, long time ago. Maybe not the same one. Maybe I did, but cheers. This is a decent cup. I will say so. And I just did. I should contact these guys again. They sent Nissin Hong Kong, which is now, you know, things have changed. When I got it before, I believe it was before a lot of stuff changed in Hong Kong. But it says it's a product of China now. It should say a product of Hong Kong. It says it comes from Hong Kong. Okay. A lot of little bits. Corn. Corn! It's kind of nice having a sore throat and stuff. A guy was asking on the group, Ramen Junkies, the highly critically acclaimed and wonderful Ramen Junkies group. You can go on Facebook and look it up, and you can join, and we'll let you in. But the guy was asking, so what are your go-to things when you feel under the weather? Like, what are your favorite things to eat? He wasn't asking me specifically, he was asking the group, right? And had all these ideas. And then he ended up doing something out of his cupboard. But it seems like it was a week later that he said that he made something out of his cupboard and posted a picture. And I don't know if he did it when he ate it or made it, but it's like, were you like scheduling to feel like sick in the future? I don't know. Who knows? The guy's from Canada, finest country in the world. Yep, I like Canada. They're nice. Oh, Canada. I miss Canada. gonna have to go back up there one of these days soon. Since it's a bowl, I'm using a smaller piece of chashu than I normally do. And, oh good. I did create egg. And here is egg. Let's see. Let's try this route today. Ah, the laundry's done. I got more laundry to do. Yeah, she's sick. I sent her to go take a nap. My lady. Hopefully that helps. She's just been so tired lately. It's hard. Gets really, really bad migraines, and hopefully she gets approved for this medication that might nip that in the bud. They had to try a different medication, and that gave her more migraines. Hooray! But insurance, it's like one of those things, insurance requires you to try 2 different things before you actually get to try this other thing. Kind of weird. But what do you do? I complain. I say I don't like that. So yeah, egg, chashu, narutomaki. That's my last of my narutomaki, and then I gotta chop up some more. It's nice. I like Naruto. Actually, I would have more, but my daughter keeps requesting it when I make her noodles. So, that's kind of how it... Whoa, you are off center. How's that? Better. I don't think you'll fall off on the floor now. Anyways, there you go. Watch that. Spin around a little bit. Well, that's it for me for today. Yeah, it's a decent little tonkotsu. We got 3 varieties at that Miniso place. So there's that one, there's a black garlic oil tonkotsu, and I think it's a spicy seafood. I was going to do that, but I just did the one yesterday that you saw yesterday. That was the spicy seafood dragon fruit noodle. So I went with tonkotsu. It sounded like it'd be nice to sample in the morning, and it was. So, this has been Hans the Ramenator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.